isa. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon ang aming plano for today's video. Today, magkakaroon kami ng pictorial. So, as you can see, this is my bare face. Yung wala talagang makeup. So, ang gagawin namin today is magkakaroon kami ng pictorial. Ito, for completion to. Ang hinihintay ko na lang is si Erich, yung go signal ni Erich na pupunta na siya ng park kasi doon kami magkikita. Tapos pupuntahan namin si Micah. Sorry, hindi pa talaga kasi ako sanay na mag-vlog. Mas komportable ako na nag-vlog na may kasama kaysa sa mag-isa. Kaya lahat ng vlogs ko kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Kasi wala akong ma-content. I'm just wearing this. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. Basta regalo to sa akin ni Chloe nung birthday ko. Basta parang tube top lang ako sa ilalim. And then denim shorts. Walang katapos ng denim shorts. Ito yung lagi kong gamit na denim shorts. I'm really excited for this kasi for the first time in 2 years, makukompleto na kami ulit. Hi guys! Jamie. Nandito kami sa bahay nila Micah. Ito si Erich. Hindi pa siya lumalabas sa aking vlogs. Mag-aayos na po kami. Ako lang pala kasi KJ sila. Ayaw pa nila.
Face, but the moment they discover you, well, you'll be on your way. And I said, New York City's never heard your name, but one day you'll let go, coast to coast, from here to Golden Gates. And she said, how many nights do I have to fall in love before I outrun my inner?
Ito na po si Ed. Mimake-upan po natin si Erich. Because love na love natin siya.
Wow! How about the joke?
So,
Nakita mo pa ako sa away mo. What's that? That one?
Maybe it's like chicken skin and there's meat.
No!
Okay, what's that then?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Kapalawan ng favorite.
Any more questions?
I'm... No more questions. Say I'm done.
Say, I beat you?
may drone kami guys.
You're so very, very good.
Aerial
You
shot.
should study more.
Study more! You're so very, very good.
Ito yung look.
Cover ko.
Ayan o, may pimple ako na super laki. Ganyan yung look ko. Alam ko ang pangit. Hindi ako masyadong. Para akong puyat na Same.
Hi! Guys, papunta na po kami sa Sisa Studio. Doon po yung boys.
I thought about you today, and I don't know if I'm okay. I know that something ain't right. These thoughts are
Hi! Ito na si Gia! Lahat po kami naka-vlog. Lahat kami naka-item right now.
Yung
Andito
isa
si
wala.
Hindi, susubugin ko.
Ang ganda ni Rich, oh. Rich. Ito na yung idol ko, oh. Ayan na yung
Papa
idol
P.
ko. Si Papa P.
Stoy. 9 months na tanong nilang ito ba tayo? Hoy! Gio na daw. Si Gio na daw malapit dito. Pwede na pala. Daman si Gio.
Si Tad ba yan?
Nakauno na
Hi,
pati,
Tad.
nakapulo na. Wow.
Ayan na, dumating na si maputing pulube.
Puting dulo.
salamin ko yun.
Naka-uniform na kami lahat.
Jo.
Init na init for today's video.
Hi vlog! Ganyan na lang kami ulit nag-uniform. Naninibago kaming lahat.
Jo, ginagawa pa may paypo. Ang mahal ko ng pamaypay na mga 300 pesos, 1K. Uy, magsimba mo, ito na lang.
Additional yan, di ba? 500. Hello po, mabuhay! Welcome po sa Sassy Sass Beauty Studio. I'm your resident makeup artist, Lan Racha. And of course, ang photographer natin ngayon is John Christian Anyascar. Hello po! Let me explain something. Ang ginagawa ko po ngayon ay nagmi-makeup. Habang siya naman po, for the photo shoot, mga bata. Ayan. Hindi siya for the Zoom ability tomorrow, girls.
Hindi mo parang tiba. Visit ka?
Panos mo?
1K babayad ka dito. Tapos sasabihan mo lang ng pangit.
Hindi maganda. Arang sa diya.
Backstab ka.
Ganito yung plataforma natin, ha? hindi pa ako nag-graduate ng high school, pero ganito yan kasi. Kasi ganito yan. Di ba ganun si ano?
Hi guys! And Tad. Kasama namin ngayon si John Lloyd Cruz. Uy! Ano ba naman? Ingat! Uy, ganito, mga forma ni Ed, tapos sabihin niya, excuse lang daw yung dysmenorrhea, ayaw ko lang daw mag-exam sa math, kaya ako nag-half day.
Sabi mo, nag-joke lang.
Ano ba outro mo? This is Risa! Bye-bye! This is Risa! O kayo naman ulit magsalita, kamusta kayo?
Meron ako. Ate, pwede pa video? Nung kayo pa rin di ko. Kuya, pwede pa video, kuya?
Ay, Andal ko dito!
Dapat, dito lang matangkad.
Wala na.
Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. Understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones, the flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new.
Habol-habol pala kayo.
So you finally run, running far away from your history. But there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, ways to turn. I'm trying to be the
Hindi na ang pinakamatalino sa inyo.
Lahat kami! Yay!
Hi kayo, hi.
Ay!
Hi.
Lo!
Miss, pahingi ng number.
Sendan mo ako ng picture ng
One centimeter.
video bago pagalitan ng mga magulang.
Uy, Erish, ikaw yung papagalitan.
Hi! Hinihintay na lang namin yung papa ni Lol kasi susunduin na lang daw kami. So, dito na natatapos ang aming vlog. Tinatapos na po namin dito yung vlog kasi pagod na kami, haggard. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! This is Risa!